Welcome to Trojan Corner. Today we are reading Mind-Boggling Numbers by Michael J. Rosen. Greetings from Miss Mary Math. Dear readers, I can't begin to calculate my delight with this book. It might be 94.6%. It might be close to a ton, 2,000 pounds. It could even be 1,001 gallons of happiness. Ever since I was young, whenever something involving arithmetic came along, friends and even grown-ups would say, "Oh, just give the math to Mary." Before long, my nickname had become Miss Mary Math, and today I am the go-to whiz for mind-boggling math questions. So what's the story behind the book in your hands? It's a dozen doozies, story problems from all across the 2.3 billion acres that make up the United States. To help you appreciate some of these amazing numbers, you'll find that I'm going to use you for a few comparisons. I know readers can come in all shapes and sizes, but I'm going to pretend that you stand exactly 4 feet tall, that you weigh about 60 pounds, and that you can walk 1 mile in 20 minutes. These are all just averages, but you'll soon see how they can help us understand some tricky questions. What about metric conversions, you ask? Or at least one of you faithful readers is bound to ask. You can find those at the end of the book. So let's get on with the math. Dear Miss Mary Math, if everyone on Earth owned exactly the same amount of land, how long would it take for me to mow my yard? From Worried About Mowing, Abilene, Texas. Answer. To answer this question, we need to figure out how much of the planet is habitable. Do you want to live high on a snow-covered mountain peak where only snowmen would enjoy the view? Do you want to live in the scorching hot desert where only camels don't mind the heat? How about underwater? Didn't think so. Those inhabitable regions remove about 16 million square miles from the real estate we can divvy up on Earth. So we have about 41.5 million relatively comfy square miles to split among Earth's 7 billion people. If you divide that habitable land evenly, we'd each own a property that contains 165,279 square feet. How big of a plot is that? You'd own about 3.8 acres. 1 acre, if it's a perfect square, is 208.7 feet on each side. Your mower, if its blades cut about 2 feet wide path, would need to make about 104 passes across your yard. That's 21,632 feet of mowing and walking. And it will take you 1.37 hours for 1 acre. You own 3.8. So multiply those hours by 3.8 acres, and you're looking at a little over 5 hours of mowing. Hey, if you charge $10 an hour, you'd make $50 cutting your neighbor's lawn.